When was the Declaration of the Rights of Man written? Have you ever wondered how a single document could change the course of history? The Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen is one such document. It was written and adopted in August of 1789, specifically between August 20th and August 26th. This declaration emerged during the early stages of the French Revolution, a time of great upheaval and transformation in France. The National Assembly of France created this foundational document to establish principles that would guide the new government. It emphasized liberty, equality, and fraternity, which became the rallying cries of the revolution. The drafting process began earlier in July of 1789. A significant draft was presented by the Marquis de Lafayette on July 11th. Lafayette was influenced by Enlightenment thinkers and received support from Thomas Jefferson, who helped shape the initial ideas. As the drafting continued, other influential figures like Emmanuel Joseph Sieyès and Honoré Mirabeau contributed to refining the final version. By the end of August of 1789, the National Assembly formally adopted the Declaration. This document was deeply inspired by Enlightenment philosophy, which emphasized natural rights that are universal and inalienable for all individuals. The Declaration drew on earlier documents, such as the American Declaration of Independence and various European rights manifestos. It served as a preamble to the French Constitution and marked a decisive break from the feudal and monarchical order. The principles outlined in the Declaration promoted a government based on popular sovereignty and individual freedoms. From a liberal perspective, this document represents a critical moment in the historical evolution of liberalism. It embodies the Enlightenment ideals that underpin liberal thought, such as the protection of individual rights and equality before the law. The concept that legitimate government must be based on the consent of the governed is also a key aspect of the Declaration. The Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen established principles that challenged absolute monarchy and aristocratic privilege. It asserted freedoms such as speech, religion, and property rights. Additionally, it included the idea that citizens have the right to resist oppression. These ideas continue to inform liberal political philosophy and democratic governance today, making the Declaration a lasting influence on modern society.